Solar panels use silver to capture sunlight. On rooftops across the world, solar panels convert light into electricity. Inside each panel, thin lines of silver collect and conduct that electrical current, about a spoonful per panel. As more solar panels bloom across deserts and rooftops, more silver flows into this purpose. The metal that reflected moonlight for millennia now helps capture sunlight, convert it, send it flowing into homes. There's poetry in that transformation. Silver, ever adaptable, finding new ways to work with light. Billions of phones each contain a grain of silver. The device near your bed right now contains traces, not much, just fragments in circuit boards and switches. But multiplied across billions of phones, tablets, computers, it becomes substantial. Silver flows through the digital age in amounts too small to see, but too valuable to ignore. Connecting calls, conducting signals, enabling the technology we've come to depend on. Even as you set your phone aside to sleep, silver inside continues its quiet work. Patient conductor, invisible helper. Silver prices rise and fall like tides. Some years, silver rises, flowing in. Other years, it ebbs, flowing out. The rhythm isn't perfectly predictable, but it's there. Cycles of high and low, abundance and scarcity. Traders watch these tides, trying to catch the rising water, trying to avoid the falling. But tides follow their own schedule, influenced by industrial demand, investment flows, dollar strength, and broader economic forces. Silver rising and falling like water, natural as breathing, beyond any single person's control. Silver exists between two worlds, precious metal and industrial commodity, part investment, part raw material. Silver belongs fully to neither category, living in the space between. This in-between nature creates movement, creates interest, creates complexity. Silver is dual-natured, serving multiple purposes, belonging to multiple stories. When industrial demand rises, silver behaves like a commodity. When investors seek safety, it behaves like precious metal. This duality makes silver unique among elements. American silver eagles still carry the walking liberty design. Each year, mints strike millions of these 1-ounce coins. Lady Liberty striding forward on one side, an eagle on the other. Pure silver, carrying symbolic value beyond its metal worth. Collectors hold them, investors stack them. Some people simply find comfort in owning something real, something tangible, something that connects them to silver's long history. You can almost feel the weight of such a coin, substantial, real, present. Indian weddings and Chinese New Year still run on silver. In India, weddings bloom with silver jewelry, bangles, anklets, ornaments carrying both beauty and value. In China, silver represents prosperity, often gifted during celebrations. These traditions stretch back centuries, connecting modern practice to ancient custom. Silver in these cultures isn't just metal, it's heritage, it's blessing, its connection to ancestors who also valued it.
The specific
Partlibs vary, but the continuity remains. Silver valued then, silver valued now, silver valued always. Solar demand may create silver supply crunch. As solar panels multiply, as technology demands more, some analysts forecast that mining won't keep pace. Silver could become scarcer relative to demand. Photovoltaic cells use silver paste for electrical contacts. Each new solar installation requires silver. With global push for renewable energy, industrial demand grows while mine supply remains relatively fixed. Whether this creates sustained price increases or merely volatility depends on technological substitutes, recycling rates, and mining economics. Silver coins still serve as financial insurance. No longer in your pocket as change, but still present in mints, in vaults, in the consciousness of those who remember when coins rang silver. Some people still buy silver coins as protection, as savings, as tangible asset in an increasingly intangible world. The instinct to hold real wealth persists, even when everyday money has become digital numbers. This makes silver a bridge between past and present, between physical and abstract, between ancient and modern. Silver has served humanity for 5,000 years and counting. From Mesopotamian shekel weights to Spanish pieces of 8, from Roman denarii to modern bullion, silver has measured worth across half of recorded history. Even today, when we speak of silver as a metaphor, silver-tongued, silver screen, silver lining, we invoke the metal's association with value, beauty, and preciousness. The atoms in your jewelry might have been Roman coins, Spanish treasure, Chinese trade silver. Recycled and reformed across millennia, silver atoms circulate through civilization, witnesses to history. Silver's unique properties keep it irreplaceable. No other element matches silver's combination: best conductor of electricity, most reflective surface, antimicrobial properties, malleability, and relative abundance. Substitutes work for some applications: aluminum for mirrors, copper for wiring, but silver retains advantages that keep it relevant. When performance matters, when efficiency counts, silver often wins. Research continues into silver's properties for medical applications, catalytic processes, next-generation technologies. Each discovery potentially creates new demand. The moon metal still shines. Ancient peoples associated silver with the moon: cool, reflective, mysterious. That association persists today. Whether in a coin's gleam, a mirror's reflection, or the subtle shine of jewelry, silver continues to embody that quality our ancestors recognized. Something precious, something beautiful, something worthy of being treasured. Silver makes no promises, asks for no trust in institutions. It simply exists, reflecting light, conducting electricity, being itself. For those who hold it, silver rewards patience, not with guarantees, but with the quiet satisfaction of owning something real, something with 5,000 years of history, something that will outlast trends and technologies. We've journeyed from ancient mines to modern markets, from Spanish galleons to solar panels, from the moon metal of mythology to the essential element of technology. Now, as our journey ends, let us reflect on what silver means, what it has meant, what it might yet become. Silver has served humanity for 5 millennia, changing roles but never losing relevance. Breathe slowly. Let the weight of history settle gently. Consider silver's long arc across human civilization. The metal that captured moonlight continues to shine through ages, patient and enduring.